Wagwan people, it's your girl Nishoy and I'm back with another freaking video. So as you can see by the title down below, in today's video I'll be doing this genie ponytail look. If you'd like to see how I created this, then stay tuned. Also, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell because it keeps you posted whenever I upload a new video. Without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Alrighty people, jumping straight into the video. So first things first, what you're gonna do is grab your brush and you're gonna brush your hair up into a high ponytail. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the Eco Styler gel and I am going to apply this to my hair to give it a more sleek look. Now people, you can go ahead and grab any Eco Styler gel that you have, the one in the green container, the one in the white container, but I love to use this one in the red container. So I'm just gonna apply this to the perimeter of my hair and sleek it down. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the Got To Be Glue freezing spray and I'm just gonna apply this to the back of my hair. Now people, forgive the pepper grains in the back of my head right now, but what really happened is that I didn't want to use a lot of product in my hair because I wasn't going anywhere. So this was just for the video and then I took it down afterwards. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and grab my hair tie and I'm just gonna tie this into place, allow it to dry so it will stay in place. Okay, so on to the fun part. So I'm gonna go ahead and loop this hair on, and the hair that I'm using is the expression braiding hair. Now that hair that I put on previously is for the anchor of the ponytail. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and loop our hair on, and this is also the expression braiding hair. And I am going to loop this onto the bun on my hair and then I'm gonna flip it over. Great. So once you flip the hair over, what you're gonna do is to grab your anchor here, and what you're gonna do is to wrap the hair around the base of the ponytail. Now, while you're doing this, you're gonna need a comb and of course your Got To Be Glue spray, which will help to hold this hair in place. Okay, so once you're finished wrapping the base of the ponytail, what you gotta do now is to go in with your fingers to loosen up the curls, to give it a more fluffier look, and to make it look more presentable.
If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never.
Okay, so going in with the Got To Be Glue freezing spray, I'm just gonna use this to keep the base of the ponytail in place so it have a more neat look along with the tail comb, and also so that it can look presentable, right? Now I'm gonna go in with my hair accessories, and I'm using the stretchy string in the color gold, and what I'm gonna do is to wrap this around the base of the ponytail.
Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never. Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder.
Now people, onto the baby hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my edge control, and I'm just gonna go for something more simple on the baby hair side today. So I'm just gonna do a simple swoop in the front and 2 on the side, and that will be it for today. Okay, so this is the final look, and I'm pretty pleased at the way it turned out. Now if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Also turn on your post notification bell so whenever I drop a new video you won't miss out on it. Alrighty guys, bye bye.